Hello and welcome to the Choro Koji Fermentation channel. Today, we're diving into a delicious and easy-to-make soy milk miso ramen. It's creamy, comforting, and packed with the rich flavors of our brown miso. Let's gather our ingredients and start cooking. For this recipe, which serves 2 persons, you will need 180 grams of ramen noodles, 500 milliliters of soy milk. And for the greens, we've got 50 grams of spinach, 60 grams of bean sprouts, and 70 grams of bok choy. You'll also need 70 grams of our brown miso, a little fresh ginger about the size of your little finger, a clove of garlic, and a tablespoon of sesame oil to bring all these wonderful flavors together. Let's get into the preparation. We'll start with the veggies. Boil the spinach and bean sprouts together for about 3 minutes. Once they are done, drain them and gently squeeze to remove any excess water. Now, mix them with a bit of sesame oil. Next, let's handle the bok choy. Boil it in another pot for about 3 minutes, then drain and set aside. Now, let's cook those noodles. Follow the package instructions until they're perfectly tender, then drain and set them aside. Let's move on to making our ramen soup. Heat the soy milk in a pan on low heat until it's just hot. Be careful not to let it boil. Remove it from the heat just before it starts to boil. Gradually stir in the brown miso using a strainer to ensure it dissolves smoothly. Now, add the grated ginger and garlic to infuse the soup with their robust flavors. Time to assemble your bowl. Place the noodles in your bowl. Pour the warm soy milk miso soup over the noodles to make sure they are well coated. Then carefully arrange the spinach, bean sprouts, and bok choy on top of the noodles, showcasing the vibrant colors. Finish with a final drizzle of sesame oil for that extra touch of flavor, enhancing the overall richness of the dish. If you feel like adding a bit more zest, feel free to sprinkle in a tablespoon of tahini, squeeze some lemon over it, or drizzle a bit of chili oil to spice things up. Stir well to make sure all the flavors meld together perfectly. And there you have it, a delicious and satisfying soy milk miso ramen that's easy to make and a joy to eat. If you enjoyed this recipe, you can find our brown miso and other fantastic products at the Choro Koji Fermentation webshop. Please consider subscribing to our channel for more nutritious and delicious recipes. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.